Hi, I'm Ron Gardner, Vice President of Operations for San Joaquin Valley College, and welcome to San Leandro's Electrical Technology program. San Joaquin Valley College has electrical technology throughout the state, and with our partner school, Carrington College, we're now able to bring it here to San Leandro. Our education is divided into two wheels. The lower wheel covers such things as math, conduit bending, and blueprint reading. In the upper wheel, our students learn residential, commercial, and industrial. During the residential portion of the education, students are going to learn everything they need with hands-on training to wire up a home. During the commercial portion of the education, students learn everything needed to work in the commercial environment. In industrial, students learn PLCs, programmable logic controllers. PLCs are used in factories, warehouses, and distribution centers. You'll often see them used on such things like conveyor belts. Math skills are a key to your success. Early on in your education, we'll hone your math skills to give you everything you need to be successful in electrical technology. We're excited you're looking at a career in electrical technology. We're here to help. Visit us at sjvc.edu or stop by any of our campuses.